Hi, welcome if you're new here. Welcome to Make It Better. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Without further ado, let's get started. Are you looking for Firefox extensions to help you take your browser experience to the next level? Look no further. Firefox extensions are tiny programs that function within the web browser to extend its functionality. Number 1. Tree Style Tabs. This extension provides the ability to work with tabs as trees. New tabs open from the current tab are automatically organized as children of the current tab. Such branches are easily folded, collapsed, by clicking on the arrow shown in the parent tab, so you no longer need to suffer from too many visible tabs. If you want, you can restructure the tree via drag and drop. Next up, TamperMonkey. The wide-ranging functionality of TamperMonkey includes everything from ad blocking to customizing the look and feel of websites. You can even design and code your unique user scripts and easily deploy them on the TamperMonkey dashboard tool. Say goodbye to irritating ads thanks to the best ad blockers. You'll want to turn to the best ad blockers and privacy extensions if you spend any time online these days. Put one of these extensions onto your Firefox browser, and you can free yourself from some of the worst aspects of visiting websites these days. Next up, if you're looking for a way to quickly open groups of tabs, say you need to log into a variety of web services for work, or want to open all your social media at once, then Open Multiple URLs by HT has a solution that might just be right for you. Amazon and other e-commerce websites are flooded with bogus reviews. These online tools will help you identify a fake review and save you from choosing a product that's not worth your money. FakeSpot rates how reliable product pages are on Amazon, Best Buy, eBay, Sephora, and Walmart. FakeSpot's algorithm looks at reviews and reviewers, analyzing language, previous reviews, and purchase history to determine trustworthiness. Next up, Keepa is one of the best price watcher and tracker tools for Amazon. The Keepa Chrome extension is a tool that carefully monitors prices on Amazon to help buyers and sellers make informed decisions about their investments. By keeping tabs on the pricing history and sales rank of every item in a region's Amazon marketplace, the Keepa add-on and app alert users about sudden events, like a price drop or a change in availability. If this video helped you out in any way, make sure to leave a like and click on the screen right now to watch another video just like this one with some tips and tricks to help you level up. I'll see you guys in the next video.